Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about the Parijat plant or the Harsingar flower plant. Do you know it is adored all over India? It is because of its unique flowering routine. This plant only flowers during the night time and sheds all of its flower once the sunlight falls over it. You must have seen in our 8 inches pot how many flowers our Harsingar plant gives us. But after winter, this plant was almost about to die. That's why on the March 1st week, my mom had repotted this plant. And with that, my mom gets sufficient amount of nutrition-rich soil and give it to the plant. As you know, my mom doesn't use any chemical fertilizer. So my mom only used the kitchen waste compost to make this plant so healthy and beautiful. But you already know Delhi is hot weather. That's why this plant was not growing at all. My mom used mulching and showered the plant 2 to 3 times. But still, the plant was not growing. So at the last week of June, my mom pruned the plant. And from July 1, there has been heavy rain. And now, look at the plant. So healthy and so bushy. As this is the rainy season, my mom will not give any kind of fertilizer to the plant until mid-September. At the last week of September, my mom will give micro and macro-rich fertilizers. Until September, my mom is going to prune the tip of the plants like this. So there will be more bushiness in this plant and this plant will get more healthy. If you want to know more about this Harsingar plant or what fertilizers to give it, check our Harsingar playlist. You have to just watch the whole playlist and you will know every single thing about this Harsingar plant. If you want to watch fun videos, then check out our Tiny Chhoti channel. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.